Hello friends and welcome to a brand new video of infotainment under the playlist of Smart Minds. Well, I'm happy to say that today I have got a brand new Samsung Tab A 10.1-inch screen. So just now I got it from Amazon in the running Freedom sale. So first thing first, well, this is the box which I have got in Amazon. So in this box it has been written about the backside of the box, like 32 GB Wi-Fi, 64-bit octa-core processor. These are the specification of this product. 25.54 cm WUXGA TFT, okay, 8 megapixel AF plus 5 MP, 2 GB RAM, 32 GB ROM memory, 6150 battery, huge battery, Dolby Atmos sound effect. Okay, so these are the specification which has been written in the back side, and also something in this leaflet, like this is the model number of the tab, and okay, all the dimension is none of our concern. So as you can see, the seal is not yet broken, and it has also been written like, if it is broken, don't accept the package. So I have to open it now. So I'll do it. So I have cut the seal on both the sides. So I think this is what I get. This is the seal. I think I have to do like this. Wow. So I think this is the charger cable. This is my tab. So nice. It is wrapped in a tissue like paper. How do I open it then? I think from here. Yeah, there's some gum like thing. So I think it has been very minutely or carefully sealed. I think I have got a tab after nearly like 8 years. It seems so thin to me. So I think this is the 2019 or 20 new tab, completely black. This side is silver, so it seems very good. This is the camera hole. I will show you. Okay, let us see first all the accessories that I have got. I got this cable, charging cable. Let me show it to you. Okay, it's a C-type port for information. So these days this is the trend going on for charging. I think I already have 2 to 3 sets, mobile sets, having this C-type port. What is this? Okay, I think some papers, booklet kind of things. Oh, I tore it off actually. Okay, let's see. Yeah, I think manual, quick start guide of this tab, and this one is warranty card. So these two very important documents I've got in this box. I'll put it inside again. So what else? Okay, this charging adapter. So this is what I got. It says 60 Hz 0.3, okay, 5 volt 1.55 ampere charging adapter, and this is the charging cable. So I can fix it here like this. It's very tight, of course. Fine, it has been fixed. So another thing, this is, I think, for opening up the tray of this tab, I have to figure out where to insert this pin. So this is what I got, Samsung Tab A 10.1 1, I think. The screen size is 10.1. So to be particular, the model number is SMT510N ZSDINU. So here I'm going to show what are the ports I have got in this tab. Well, if you can see, I'll focus it here. Okay. So I think this is the switch on and off button here. It is the volume. This long one is the volume button, plus or minus. And this is the SIM tray. It's not a SIM tray. I don't have the SIM card facility in this tab. So I think something else I have to see. Mostly like SD card sort of thing, which I can insert. Let me see. Web trace. I got this. I can open. Yeah. This is micro SD. Yeah. Oh, I think so. I think it's a dummy one. Yeah, this one. This thing is a micro SD, and this is just for, I don't know what is this. I have to figure out later. So this is what I got. I'll again insert this back into this box. Okay. Yeah, here I have got this power button, this volume plus or minus button, this tray for micro SD, and on the opposite side I don't have anything here. It's completely plain blank. This side a small dot, perhaps for my mic. This is the 3.5 mm jack. This is the bottom side. Sorry, this is the top side I'm showing. In the top side is the 3.5 mm jack. Yeah, if you can see the 3.5 mm jack, and there's a small dot over here, maybe for mic, I don't know exactly. So in the bottom half you can see there's the C-type port. This is the speaker grill. I think there are two grills for the speaker, like left and right side. So this is very good because many of the mobile phones I have only one speaker grill. So this is it. This is the Samsung Tab A 10.1 inch screen. So this is the camera here. If you can see, yeah, this one is the camera, rear side camera, and the front side camera, if I could show you properly, because it's a very small hole, if you can see, which is almost getting invisible with this black color. So anyway, this is the tab. Well, you'll be happy to know that I have also got this case for my tab on the same day. Amazon has delivered both the items. So I'm very excited. Both of them have come on the same day. So this is the case that I've got. I think it is magnetic. It costed me around like 1000 rupees for this case itself. So very expensive for me at least. So let's see. So this is the design what I have got. I'm not able to figure out which one is the front or top or bottom. So let me see. So this is how it works. I think okay, this is for the camera slot. It perfectly fits into this box. So I'll show you after switching it on my tab. Let me do that right now itself. Let's see how it feels. So it has started. So for the very first time, I would advise you to first charge the tab to the full battery, so that the battery life gets healthy. It doesn't drain out on your first use itself. This is how it is switching on. This is a very nice case. I can see this is strap given if you want to read or do something, so you can hold it like this also, getting this like as a hinge or a support. You can hold this and study or read the books. So it is showing like let's go. I'm not going to do anything. First I will charge my tab first of all. Yeah, so so after charging I would show you what else are there in this tab. So for now, yeah. Okay, so I am starting my tab. So it is showing like our first screen is like let's go English United Kingdom. Let me see what else are available. Okay, let it be as it is, English United Kingdom. I'm looking for US if it is available or not. Okay, English United States. Let it be United Kingdom. Let's go forward. So check out some info to get started. End user license agreement, all this formality, privacy policy, sending of diagnostic data. You should read all these things, but I'm going next. I've read and agree to all of the above. Next. Let me see. So bring your old data for quicker setup. How do you want to connect? Wireless, skip for now, cable, USB, all these things. I will go for wireless. Photo, apps, all these things. Okay, next. Open smart switch on your old Galaxy and enter the pin below. Okay, fine. I want to go back. I think skip for this now. I'll go for skip for this now. The next. So these are the networks available. I'll choose this one. Fine. So my password. So I have given my password of Wi-Fi. I think after that it will ask for maybe mobile phones. Email ID. Let's see. Next. Checking for updates. This may take a few minutes. Let's see. Checking info. It's asking me for my email. So let me give my email. So now it is asking me for the password. I'll enter the password also. So it is updating. Let's see. My backup would be okay. Let's see. This is my backup. Okay. Restore everything. So it's asking for giving a password or something like that to protect your tablet. So for now I will not do. I'll do it later. Skip protecting your tablet. Okay, skip anyway. You could have given a pattern or something for opening up the tab, like a security feature, but for now I will not do. See what's trending on Google. Okay, fine. Next. Just a second. I want to see the home page of the tab. So let's see. Backup to Google Drive. Okay. Okay, accept. Adding the finishing touches. This may take a few minutes. Let's see. So friends, it's asking for my Samsung account next. So I'll simply skip it again. Skip. So if you have a Samsung account, you can log into that. So all done. So I'll finish, press finish. So let's see the home screen of my Samsung Galaxy Tab A 10.1 inch screen. So this is my home screen. So excited to see this. So really beautiful. The background, a pinkish kind of art in the wallpaper. So this is what I had to show, the unboxing of Samsung Tab A. So friends, I hope this is a very nice tab for a budget of within like 15,000. It costed me actually 13,000 rupees with all the discounts that I had during the sale time. So let's see, after 1 month I'll for sure give my point of view or my review of this tab. I didn't expect too much because it's a 2 GB RAM in this time when we are getting 6 GB 8 GB mobile phones so easily. So for studies, to read some kind of PDF book or to watch YouTube, you can definitely use this tab as it won't consume much of RAM space. So for all the domestic use, all the small users or all lightweight users, you can always count on this tab. So friends, This is what I had to show in this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, please share it, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel Infotainment for getting more of such little technical videos to make your life, digital life, simpler and happier. See you again. Thank you.